My name is Sherri Garner Brumbaugh, and I am President, CEO, and owner of Garner Trucking, located in Findlay, Ohio. We were established in 1960 by my parents, Vern and Jean Garner, with one truck, and we are the true American story, and now we have close to 100 trucks. We are in the process right now of replacing a legacy system we've had for over 30 years. Just didn't feel like they were keeping up with latest trends. Every time that we wanted a new report, it was costly to do that. It took a long time. Right away, we noticed a difference with Alvys. We're going live just today, and I didn't get a call. So I think that's a good day. I did sit in on training, and I do believe that I could sit down day one after that training and put an order in, create an order, and dispatch a truck. I am confident I could do that. When we were doing our training, our dispatchers were collaborating, and the question came up about the shipper and how to enter the shipper. And it used to be a little bit of an arduous process, but all we had to do was put the number in for that shipper, and it pre-populated the whole order, just like my dispatcher was thinking about where that truck was going to go. The exciting part of this as well is the morale. I'm just seeing them collaborating and talking and just the excitement of something new. Not, but this is new. This has got, a lot more bells and whistles to it, a lot more robust ability to do what I need to do on a daily basis. Being cloud-based, not having this huge network on site. Where we have an internet connection, you can get connected to Alvys. Trucking is 24/7, 365. On a Saturday night, they're at a baseball game and a driver needs something, they can pull up their mobile and have an internet connection and solve a problem. We didn't have that kind of abilities with our previous software, so it's going to be a game changer for us.